Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into my favorite city, New York City, the city that never sleeps. In this 10-minute guide, we'll hit the must-see attractions that make NYC a top travel destination. From iconic landmarks to cultural hotspots, get ready to explore the best of the Big Apple. We'll visit the places you've seen in movies and dreamed about visiting. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's sprint through the greatest city in the world. This isn't just a travel guide, it's a love letter to New York. Ready? Let's roll! First stop, Central Park, the city's backyard, and ultimate escape. This massive green rectangle is a masterpiece, built from rocky, swampy land in the 1850s by Olmsted and Vaux. It's where you can go from city chaos to birdsong in minutes. Don't miss Bethesda Terrace, the park's heart, with stunning architecture and live music. Walk across Bow Bridge for the most romantic views in NYC. Rent a bike, take a horse-drawn carriage, or picnic on the Great Lawn with the skyline as your backdrop. Visit Strawberry Fields, the peaceful John Lennon Memorial, or ride the century-old carousel. In winter, skate at Woolman Rink for a classic holiday scene. Central Park is where New Yorkers relax, play, and reconnect with nature. It's the city's lung and soul, a place to wander, get lost, and find peace. Give yourself time to explore. It's worth every minute. Whether you're people-watching or soaking in the scenery, Central Park is pure New York magic. Don't rush, let the park surprise you. It's a must for every visitor. Take a deep breath and enjoy the green heart of the city. Central Park proves you can find beauty and calm in the middle of the urban jungle. It's a New York essential. Make sure it's on your list. Let's keep moving. Next, we're heading sky-high to the Empire State Building, an icon of ambition and Art Deco style. Built in just over a year during the Great Depression, it's a symbol of hope and power. Step into the elegant 1930s lobby, then zoom up to the observation decks. The 86th floor deck offers open-air panoramic views. The 102nd floor takes you even higher. From up here, you'll see Central Park, the Statue of Liberty, and all 5 boroughs. The view is breathtaking and unforgettable. And who can forget King Kong? This building is a pop culture legend. The Empire State Building's lights change for holidays and city events, making it a living part of New York. Don't just snap a photo, feel the history and energy. Take in the 360-degree view and let the city's scale sink in. It's a must-do for every visitor. You'll feel on top of the world, literally. The Empire State Building is more than a skyscraper, it's the city's exclamation point. Experience it for yourself. It's a New York rite of passage. Ready for the next adventure? Let's go! Now, let's head downtown to meet Lady Liberty, the Statue of Liberty, America's enduring symbol of freedom. Gifted by France in 1886, she stands tall in the harbor, welcoming newcomers and inspiring millions. Take the ferry from Battery Park for stunning skyline views as you approach Liberty Island. Up close, her scale is humbling, and the museum inside tells her fascinating story. Designed by Bartholdi, engineered by Eiffel. For the adventurous, climb to the crown for a once-in-a-lifetime view. But it's her meaning that matters most, a beacon of hope for generations of immigrants. Emma Lazarus's poem says it all. Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free. The Statue of Liberty is the spirit of New York and America. Visiting her is a powerful, moving experience. She's more than a monument, she's a promise. Don't miss this essential NYC landmark. Feel the history, the hope, and the welcome she represents. It's a must-see for every visitor. Ready to keep exploring? Let's move on. Time to turn up the energy. Welcome to Times Square, the neon heart of Manhattan. The lights, the crowds, the buzz. This is New York at full volume. Stand on the red steps and watch the world go by. It's people watching at its best. Times Square is the gateway to Broadway, where legendary theaters light up the night. Catch a show or just soak in the electric atmosphere. On New Year's Eve, millions gather here for the iconic ball drop, a global celebration. Some locals avoid it, but every visitor should experience Times Square at least once. It's loud, crowded, and unforgettable. Walk through, look up, grab a street pretzel, and be part of the spectacle. Times Square is pure, high-octane New York. It's the crossroads of the world for a reason. Dive in and enjoy the chaos. It's a memory you'll never forget. Ready for a change of pace? Let's find some culture. Onward. Let's slow down and get inspired at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Met. This isn't just a museum, it's a universe of art, with over 2 million works spanning 5,000 years. Wander from ancient Egypt's Temple of Dendur to impressionist masterpieces by Monet and Van Gogh. The Met is a journey through time and creativity, all under one roof. Don't try to see it all, pick a few sections and immerse yourself. Even if you're not an art buff, the building itself is stunning, especially the Great Hall. Discover period rooms, medieval armor, and the rooftop garden with amazing Central Park views. The Egyptian art collection, especially the Temple of Dendur, is a must-see. Ancient history in the heart of NYC. The Met connects you to human creativity and history in a profound way. It's a place for quiet reflection amid the city's noise. Get a map, get lost, and let yourself be inspired. Whether you have an hour or a day, the Met is always worth it. It's a treasure trove of stories and beauty. Feed your soul with art and history. The Met is a New York essential. Ready for something different? Let's keep exploring. Next stop, Remembrance. Now we visit a place of deep meaning. The 9/11 Memorial and Museum in Lower Manhattan. The memorial's twin reflecting pools sit where the Twin Towers once stood, surrounded by the names of those lost. The sound of cascading water creates a peaceful space for reflection. The museum below takes you through the events of 9/11 with powerful artifacts and personal stories. It's a somber, moving experience that honors courage, sacrifice, and resilience. The exhibits are handled with care and respect, telling stories of heroism and loss. Visiting is difficult but important, a reminder to never forget. It's a testament to New York's strength and unity. Pay your respects and take a moment to reflect. This is sacred ground. The 9/11 Memorial is a must for every visitor. It's about remembrance, learning, and hope. Let's continue our journey. Next, let's walk the Brooklyn Bridge, a marvel of engineering and a symbol of New York's ambition. Opened in 1883, its Gothic arches and steel cables are iconic. Stroll the elevated walkway for unbeatable skyline views. Start in Brooklyn and walk toward Manhattan for the best panorama. The bridge connects past and present, history and future. It's a shared experience, tourists, locals, and cyclists all together. Walking the Brooklyn Bridge is a rite of passage. It's free, unforgettable, and pure New York. Don't miss this walk through history. Let's see what's next. Now for something modern, the High Line, a park built on an old elevated rail line. This urban oasis winds above the city, blending gardens, art, and architecture. Walk 30 feet up with views of the Hudson River and city streets. The landscaping echoes the wild plants that once grew here. Art installations and creative design make every visit unique. The High Line transformed its neighborhood and offers a fresh perspective on NYC. Hop off to explore Chelsea Market or Hudson Yards. It's a symbol of creative renewal and community spirit. Take a stroll and see the city from above. The High Line is a must for every explorer. All this exploring works up an appetite. Let's talk iconic New York food. Start with a classic slice of New York-style pizza, thin, foldable, and delicious. Grab a bagel, dense, chewy, and best with cream cheese or lox. Hot dogs from a street cart are a rite of passage, and don't miss the famous halal carts for chicken or lamb over rice. Visit a real deli like Katz's for a towering pastrami on rye. For dessert, indulge in a slice of rich, creamy New York cheesecake. Junior's is legendary. The city's food scene is endless, from Chinatown dumplings to Little Italy cannolis. Eating here is an adventure in itself. Come hungry and try the classics. Every bite is a taste of New York's melting pot. Food is part of the city's soul. Don't leave without sampling these essentials. Savor every flavor. Ready for the final stop? Let's wrap it up. That's our whirlwind tour of New York City. History, culture, food, and unforgettable sights. Every visit is a new adventure, and there's always more to discover. Thanks for joining us. I hope you're inspired to explore NYC for yourself. What's your favorite New York spot? Share in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more travel adventures. Be good to each other and see you next time. Bye-bye.